Guys, come and see the miracle of God. Hey guys, miracle can see little by little now after coming to Zion Ministry. You can remember this girl that came to Zion Ministry last year, and the rumors were everywhere that they said that why is it that Evangelist Ebuka no, so why is it that he couldn't heal her, he couldn't make her to see. My dear, come and hear story. This girl is testifying now that after that day, after meeting the man of God, after the man of God touched her, that now she can see little by little. Before she could not do anything, now she can cook without no help. She can cook, she can wash clothes, she can do things that she has never done before. That before she came to Evangelist Ebuka no Sobi's ministry, Zion Ministry, that she has gone to different churches, different places. That is the reason why she felt that she could not see again. That's why she couldn't tell the man of God that day that she wants to see, because she has gone to places, to a lot of big pastors that she believed that can heal her, and she couldn't see. Now see the good news. Miracle, I want you to watch this film. Miracle said that she can see little by little. This one with evidence and proof. All the young people, they knew that she cannot see. She had a nanny, but now there was no nanny. She even said that you can come and video her. She can cook without no help. She's not alone without a nanny. She can cook, she can wash her clothes, she can do everything. Oh my God, my people, I want you to watch this video to the end. Had it been this girl now open her mouth and say that she wants to see, that one would have been clear. If you watch her in this video, you see that her eyes is even blinking. Before, it doesn't blink like this. Oh my God, guys, I would like you to watch this video to the end. Please don't go anywhere. You need to watch this video and hear from Miracle. She has come out to testify that God of Zion Ministry is real. For those that have been saying a lot of things, the testimony is here right now. Watch and tag. Matthias says that start tagging all of them that have castigated Evangelist Ebuka no Sobi.
Zion is real. God of Zion is working. God of Zion is real. So I have testimony. Just I have testimony. I will testify the goodness of God in sickness. Headache every month. Serious headache. So that is, that day, Daddy touched me. Daddy anointed me. Olive oil. So no matter anything, but like the man mesaramaka. So like I can't hold mesaram that sickness, that's headache. Name him every month safe and me with machina one so like he may see self like time now I can see, but it's not like that. I can cook now, I can wash my clothes. I can see. Yes, I can take care of my. It's like 1,000. Many. I have go many church. I have go many ministry. We ministry nanga benugwa. So even Father Mbaka, I have go everywhere. Even talking I have go everywhere. So that is why Njimi loses your hope. Say it's all almost say Chineke na kumisi.
So nko go bana wana kembe gashana nke brother Ebuka obi bata na muri issue one adikara awagi every month issue one happen automatically and you cannot see a little so come na yin go na wezoku like awurukwa eto ashi pon na mero ni hege mekwa go.
My dear, come on video me, let me cook. I can cook now. I can on gas and cook. No, my nanny has go.
Nani galago?
Yes.
Only you now, Mazi.
Only Jackie, she lay Jackie safe here.
Kemba hulu gachazana bata. Only Jackie mehini.
She really as a hell as a pure.
In a pozo, we him to you.
Just not going to have your work.
We him to you. Kembulu gacha. Only Jackie and so many things.
Only I say yes, I appear date.
Jesus.
God of Zion is working. God of Zion is real. God of Zion is working. God of Zion is real. So I have testimony. Just I have testimony. I will testify the goodness of God in this. God of Zion is real. Just leave everything. You didn't tell me anything. You just come now. Just now. And my brother just come now. God of Zion is so wonderful. I have testimony.
na me no kwa na olago. I'm shocked.
Yeah, yes.
I'm shocked. Guys, in a woman na kebo ga chazo na bata.
Everybody
na
is
me na ko dey say ke me so many things.
Yes, everybody is shocked. Monday are done. Everybody is shocked. Like some people see me, Mr. Kwambasa. Everybody is shocked.
Are you serious? A lot of improvement ever since they came back from God Ebuka's church, the Zion ministry. That she can now do so many things on her own. Before she hardly do things on her own.
No, yes, I have.
But now she can come. Means the God of Afoterafancha is truly working.
Chim.
Me self, I'm shocked.